In today's difficult world of law enforcement, police officers have repeatedly turned to TASER technology to help them control violent offenders. Our flagship technology, the TASER X26, is being used by over 10,000 police agencies in over 40 countries. Our proven technology has a 95% efficacy rating, which surpasses any other use of force tool, making it the premier law enforcement device. But what can law enforcement officers do if they are more than 35 feet away from a violent offender that needs to be immediately controlled? Do they risk harm to themselves and close the distance? Do they wait for the offender to give up? Up until today, these difficult decisions have been made by the trusted officers in law enforcement every day. Now, making that difficult decision is over. TASER International brings you the TASER Extended Range Electronic Projectile, or XREP, a wireless projectile that fires from a 12-gauge shotgun. It delivers the same neuromuscular incapacitation, NMI, as our handheld TASER X26, but can be delivered to a distance of up to 100 feet. The XREP combines blunt impact with the field-proven TASER neuromuscular incapacitation that renders a violent offender virtually incapable of moving or harming others. The XREP is the most sophisticated projectile system ever launched from a 12-gauge shotgun. The core technology that made the XREP possible is the XREP engine. A stunning engineering achievement, the XREP engine provides the same bioeffect as our field-proven X26, but from an electronics package that weighs only 2.4 grams and consumes less than 1/10 of a cubic inch. In order to achieve a wireless projectile, the battery is fully integrated into the chassis and autonomously provides the power to drive the XREP engine for its full 20-second cycle. Enough time to close the distance and take the offender into custody without risking injury to officers. The XREP has 6 Cholla electrodes, named after the famous Cholla cactus, on the upper chassis. The Cholla electrodes attach to the target, spreading the TASER electrical charge across a greater body mass. One of the most important measures of any projectile is its accuracy. The XREP incorporates 3 torsion spring fins that deploy as the XREP leaves the shotgun barrel. Once launched, even from a smooth-bore shotgun, the torsion spring fins cause the XREP to spin, providing for the XREP's high degree of accuracy and flight stabilization. The XREP contains 4 forward-facing barbed electrodes, the collapsible electrode cowling, and the reflex engagement electrodes. The electrodes are covered by a collapsible electrode cowling that crushes on impact. Another innovative and unique feature of the XREP nose is the reflex engagement electrode. The XREP comes pre-packaged in shell that is compatible with existing 12-gauge launchers. The opaque shell coloring ensures officers properly identify the XREP prior to loading it in the shotgun, minimizing the chance of loading an incorrect round. As the TASER XREP is deployed, a ripcord attached to the shell activates the unit. Once activated, the TASER XREP is live as it comes out of the barrel. The TASER XREP travels at approximately 300 feet per second. On impact, the forward-facing barbed electrodes attach to the body of the target. The energy from the impact breaks a series of fracture pins that release the main chassis of the XREP, which remains connected to the nose by a Kevlar-reinforced fiber. As the chassis falls away, 6 Cholla electrodes automatically deploy. Another innovative and unique feature of the XREP nose is the reflex engagement electrode. A normal reaction to the pain of a projectile impact is for the subject to grab at the impact site. If the subject tries to grab or disconnect the XREP projectile, the reflex engagement electrodes complete a circuit, allowing TASER NMI to discharge from the nose electrodes through the subject's body, out to the hand that grabbed the XREP. XREP is the latest in a long history of technical breakthroughs from TASER International, the proven leader in less lethal technology. TASER, delivering products for and trusted by law enforcement everywhere. Protect life.